Hey guys, so last time we heard Nokia was planning to launch their next flagship with under-display camera. However, things went wrong and they decided to wait for Samsung, Xiaomi, other brands for their take on selfie shooter under screen. They want to see if that design is gonna be a global success in terms of durability, in terms of long-term usage, if there's gonna be any defect or something. Yeah, you can say they were basically not ready to take that huge risk. Now some latest information says Nokia is still working on the flagship project and they'll call it Nokia 10. Yes, they are not calling it the Nokia 9.3, instead the naming is now Nokia 10. This sounds like an amazing flagship if it features flagship specs, flagship design, and by this I mean proper working under display camera solution, a latest flagship CPU, and the reason is Xiaomi and Samsung are all set to unleash the wave of phones with under-screen camera next year. Their final design is ready for mass production, so competition is not just sitting. Internal documents also reveals Nokia want to target countries like India, China, Russia, Indonesia, UK, US, Germany. An interesting part is the document says we don't compare our product to competitors, and they are wrong. Doesn't matter if they want to compare or not, the end consumer will compare for sure. It's not like Nokia, the iconic brand, anymore. Next, they say Nokia will focus more in their partnership with Google. Google software and Nokia's hardware is the best combination, I think, and everyone knows that. There's no bloatwares or adwares. It's a simple minimalistic experience which every brand should give. Nokia says their Pixel phones at every price point. Some news coming in from Counterpoint, Nokia and OnePlus excels in providing timely software updates, and Nokia beats all in the security patch game. These are the non-Pixel devices and Nokia is doing really good in the software game. See, I've used Nokia phones before and they have great design, amazing solid design, and the Nokia 10 is gonna be no different. So I'm really excited for this new flagship from Nokia. We saw Motorola coming back with the amazing Edge Plus flagship, and now with this one, we'll see another option with amazing design. Also, Nokia is doing an incredible job with security patches and updates. So the game is now on. Wait starts now. So this is all. Thanks so much for watching. I'll meet you guys in the next one. Like, subscribe, and peace out.